My name is Jordan Larson. I'm the facility manager for Varian Medical Systems. I get to keep about 350,000 square feet of space running and functioning and going as smoothly as possible. Varian Medical Systems is the world provider of X-ray tubes, one of the industry leaders for digital imaging, X-ray technology. We manufacture about 400 different types of X-ray tubes. We also create all of the flat panel imaging systems that receive the X-rays. 95% of the energy that is used for an X-ray actually is lost in heat waste. 5% is a viable X-ray that will create an image. The rest of it is heat waste. And so a big piece of what we do is try and keep the X-ray tube cool. Now, for that to happen, there's lots of different things that we do, but regardless, we use a lot of electricity. And it's just as much as you use it to take an X-ray, we're using it all the time to take multiple X-rays to make sure the tube is not going to fail. Some of the best things we've done with wattsmart have been our lighting upgrades. We're now actually in the process of swapping out our lights with LEDs, and they are way more efficient, a lot more cost savings, and Rocky Mountain Power has helped us with all of those programs. They've also helped us cut back our programming for our building system on our air conditioning units. There's no reason to heat or cool the building if nobody's in that space. We run 24/7, but there's not people in every space 24/7. We've moved to occupancy sensors through all of our office spaces. So if there's nobody in the space, the lights turn off. You walk into the room, the lights turn on. And those have all been incentivized through the Rocky Mountain Power wattsmart program. People don't realize that some of these great big facilities require a lot of compressed air. A lot of our equipment runs on compressed air. That air compressor, if it's a big power hog, that's a lot of money. It can be hundreds of thousands of dollars a year just to keep the air compressor running, to provide air to a facility. If you have a good energy efficient compressor, it's hundreds of thousands of dollars of savings. The help from the engineering groups that we've had through the wattsmart group, through all of the incentive programs that we work with have been great. They've been very helpful. They are smart. And it's interesting is they'll walk through, and we're in this space all the time, and they can ask the questions of a less informed basis of, well, have you considered this? Have you considered that? Yeah, sometimes we have and sometimes we haven't. And it's getting that fresh perspective from their engineers that help us out quite a bit. We invest about $100,000 in sustainability projects throughout the year. Anytime we can minimize our resource requirements, we're benefiting the environment. Whether it's through the electrical use that we're using or through the sheer raw equipment material that we generate on a daily basis, it makes good financial sense and it makes good earthwise sense. We use a lot of electricity. If we can reduce our overhead costs, our bottom line looks a lot better, and it helps the company as a whole. Being a publicly traded company, those numbers matter in a big way. We saved $383,000 every year, and it just keeps going up. It's pretty fantastic.
Make your business a wattsmart business. Learn more at wattsmart.com.